everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a butterfly coffee filter craft, which will be available as a take and make kit from the Youth Services desk at the Bay County Public Library. Okay, so in each kit you are going to get a coffee filter, a piece of pipe cleaner, and a clothespin. You will also need water and washable markers. We're going to start by taking our coffee filter and flattening it out. We're going to take our flatter coffee filter and we're going to take washable markers and we are going to color on our coffee filter. You can pick any colors you want. These are the colors I'm using. You want to color the coffee filter and cover most of the space, and you want to do that on both sides of the coffee filter. I've colored my coffee filter like this. So I just made sure to fill a lot of the space in, and then I went over it again on the back side. So both sides have color. The next step of this process is going to be to get the coffee filter wet, which will create the watercolor effect. What I'm going to be using is a spray bottle, but you can use a dropper or a very careful pour if you don't have this. As you can spray, you can see the lines dissipating and the colors running together to create that cool watercolor effect. You're going to take this and you are going to let that dry. And then we are going to take our clothespin. So we're going to color the body of our clothespin with a marker. You can pick any color you want. I'm going to pick pink because that's my favorite color. Okay, so I've finished coloring the body of my butterfly. It looks like this. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to give my butterfly a cute little face. And there, a face. Okay, so the coffee filters can take a while to dry. So I have one I already made right here. So we're going to take this. This is what the completed version will look like. Mine's a little more pastel. You can make yours darker if you want. Take your coffee filter so it sits like this, and you're going to want to scrunch it into the middle. You're going to take it, you're going to scrunch it. So I'm just pulling the top into the middle. I'm putting my thumb in the center and using my pointer finger to pull that down. And then I'm going to pinch it right there and do the same to the other side. Now that you've got it like this, pinch between your fingers, you're going to go back to the body of your butterfly and you are going to open it up, and then you are going to pinch it where you made that spot. Adjust the wings, adjust on your butterfly until it looks like this. And then we are going to take our pipe cleaner and we are going to fold that into a V shape, and then I'm going to do a little curl like that and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, now I'm going to take this and I'm going to open up the paper clip again and put that inside. All right, and that is a super simple coffee filter clothespin butterfly craft. You can find these kits at the Youth Services desk at the Bay County Public Library while supplies last. Thanks for watching.